Hi everyone, Peter here from Nock Garage. I got quite excited about this build, so I didn't do an introduction video to it. Here's some photos of it in the initial stages. So Oldsmobile Highway 61 Oldsmobile Super 88 and inspired by my Schweddy's Pontiac build. Combined it with a Hummer H2 chassis, again a Highway 61, very detailed. Lots of awesome suspension work in there. As you can see, take the two models apart, see how they fit together, start cutting. Quite a bit of cutting to be done, some of which I later put back when I found out I had a bit more room. So there you go, just a little bit of the initial build process. Right at the end, which we're just about to get to, I cut the wheel wells out and looking at graphics for it.